So question 2, express 5x squared minus 20x plus 3 in the form you can see. This is completing the square. I'm going to deal with these two terms, take 5 out. You can see 5 goes into both of that, so that's kind of neat. So I get this. And now what I want to do is I want to complete the square here. So you have the b coefficient, don't forget. And then you get an excess of 4, so I want to take that away. And now I can just tidy this up. Okay, so expand, times everything by 5, I get that. 5 lots of -4 is -20, plus 3 is -17. So there you go. You get your value of Q, and you get your value of P, and you get your value of R. Then it says state the coordinates of the minimum point. Now the minimum point is such that this value must be anything, because this square, this makes it larger, so that this has to be 0 for that to be the minimum. So x has to be 2 here for this to be 0, and then y would be -17. So just up here, we know it's going to be 2 and -17. That's the minimum point. And we know the minimum point, because on part C it says state the equation to the normal. Well, if we were to sketch this out, we'd have a quadratic, and a minimum point, the tangent, would be there. So actually, there we go. And what we want to do is the normal is perpendicular, and that's actually the mirror line, x equals 2. So the normal would be your mirror line, x equals 2.